If you need to reset your X password, follow these simple steps to regain access to your account. This process will guide you through resetting your password effectively. Step 1. Visit the login page. Go to the official X website or app and navigate to the login page where you usually enter your credentials. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. Look for the Forgot Password link on the login page and click on it. This will initiate the password recovery process. Step 3. Enter your email or username. Provide the email address or username associated with your X account. Make sure to enter it correctly to receive the reset instructions. Step 4. Check your email. Check your email inbox for password reset link sent by X. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder just in case. Step 5. Create a new password. Follow the link in the email to create a new password. Make sure your new password is strong and secure, then confirm it to complete the reset process. Once you have reset your password, you can log into your account with your new credentials. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to X support for further assistance.